In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Slide Translator add-on to seamlessly translate your Google Slides presentations into multiple languages. This tool can be incredibly useful if you're working with a diverse audience or collaborating internationally. So let's jump right in and explore how you can set this up easily and efficiently. To get started, you'll need to have your Google Slides presentation open and ready. First, navigate to the Extensions menu located right at the top of your screen. You'll see a variety of options appear, but what we are interested in is the Add-ons option. Go ahead and hover over Add-ons, then click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially a store filled with helpful tools to enhance your Google Workspace experience. Now, in the Marketplace, you can search for the Slide Translator add-on by typing its name into the search bar. Once you locate it, click on it to get more details. You'll then need to click Install to add this tool to your Google Slides. During the installation process, you might be prompted to grant some permissions to the add-on. These permissions are necessary for it to function properly, so make sure to read through and approve them to complete the installation. With the Slide Translator add-on properly installed, you can now return to your Google Slides presentation. Once again, navigate to the Extensions menu. This time, you should see Slide Translator listed as an option. Hover over it and then click on Translate. This action will open a sidebar on the right side of your screen, providing you with all the translation options you'll need. In this new sidebar, you'll notice two important sections: Current Language and Output Languages. First, under the Current Language drop-down menu, select the language your presentation is currently in. It's crucial to ensure this step is accurate to achieve the best translation result. Then, move to the Output Language drop-down menu and select one or more languages into which you'd like your presentation translated. This could be particularly useful if you're trying to reach multiple audiences in different regions. Once your languages are selected, it's time to initiate the translation process. Simply click the Translate button, located at the bottom of the Slide Translator sidebar. The add-on will work its magic and automatically scan all the text on your slides. It'll then create new copies of your presentation, each translation reflecting the languages you've chosen. These translated slide decks will appear directly in your Google Drive, easy for you to access and share as needed. And that's it. You now have a fully translated set of presentations ready at your fingertips. This tool can save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, delivering your message effectively across language barriers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your Google Slides experience.